She's cold this morning, boys. We're about to head out to Picton in the 15, day 2. So you may have seen the last video. This is just carrying on. We are in Nelson right now, leaving the Palazzo Motor Lodge. Shout out to the lady and man that own this place. Super nice. Ready to go slap this thing. Oh, it's got a heater, man. It's got AC. It's got everything. Boom, chuck that on. Seen this? We have a 1 to 2 hour drive, somewhere in between there. We're just gonna go to Picton, get some breakfast. We'll see you along the ride for some clips. So we've got about 30 minutes and now we are waiting for something. I'm not sure, maybe they're doing something up there. Check the view, beautiful. We have ferries at it says final check-in times at 1:15, so I'm not too sure if we go there a bit earlier. Probably going to be safer to go earlier. We're just going to head over there in the 15 and we'll catch you in a sec. So, we're just hopping back in the car now. It's hella loud. We'll see you in a sec. See the S15 in a sec. We found the beast. We're out of here. We're out of here. Quick tunnel run for the boys. We're just heading out of Wellington. I don't know where I am. I've never been here before. Ella's on the maps. Hopefully we make it out. We'll see you soon when I'm out of all this traffic. There they are. I found the Microsoft Hills. We are here in Levin. I can't see a sign, but we made it. So we're nearly home. Just thought we'd stop and let the 15 see the snow for a little bit.